Good morning. So there is a new trend in our way of practice from 29/1/2020. What was that? AR 2020 Supreme Court 831. Sushila Agarwal versus State of NCT. Now the five judges Arun Misra, Indira Banerjee, Vineet Saran, M.R. Shah and Ravindra Bhatt now seems to have settled the issues, stating that when anticipatory bail be granted, when anticipatory bail's conditions could be restricted, whether the anticipatory bail could be granted pending FIR, even without FIR, if simply statement of facts that apprehending arrest is sufficient for grant of anticipatory bail. Let us hope that this judgment will be properly implemented. But I don't think the high courts are implementing it because what actually happened, somebody not understanding the looting of treasury amount. The present system passing some orders when anticipatory bail applications are filed pending inquiry without registering the FIR, the courts grant some liberty by referring some, misquoting some Supreme Court judgments, guidelines, all these things. Then after filing FIR, they are allowed to file anticipatory bail again. What this enables, the booth agents promoted additional public prosecutor, criminal advocates to claim more bills. The bills are being paid by the state government from the exchequer, and that is nothing but our money. And this judiciary concentrating on several issues which is exclusive domain of the state government, imposing taxes, enhancing taxes. These all are exclusive domain of the state government. The High Court are concentrating on those issues. You enhance the tax, you enhance the rent lot. The enhancement is not legally valid. If it is challenged, they can get an answer. But so much they are poking their nose, but they are not concentrating on these issues. Whenever they dismiss the applications and giving liberty to file fresh application, this multiplicity of applications only burdening the state government to pay the additional cost to the government advocates being engaged without merits. Whatever it may, board में जाए अपने से क्या होता है, कुछ नहीं होता. The multi number of judgments, again that usual grievance, they have gone through several Supreme Court judgments, several Supreme Court judgments, and finally they have passed this order stating that you can grant anticipatory bail without fixing terms of time. The once anticipatory bail is granted, that will valid till even after filing charge sheet. That was, they say, invariably limited to fixed period. But subsequently there is some rider that it could be done if circumstances warrants. Then they say Guru Bhajan Singh Sibia judgment was discussed, and it is not essential that an application should be moved only after FIR is filed, even if it is moved earlier. Let the judges keep in mind. I do not know how they are going to give respect to those judgments or not. Then conditions, they said conditions should be imposed, and the lots very same again, and they said that blanket order should not be there. some illogical observation as that you cannot operate in respect of a future incident that involves commission of offence. This is not seems this seems to be logical. So and other observations, all are coming in already in existence. So since outside raining is there, my health is not cooperating to read, explain all those things. Okay, whatever it may be, go through the judgment, multi number of paragraph of judgment, Sushila Agarwal. Go through this, but one thing you should keep in mind that you can file anticipatory bail if granted, that is eligible till the disposal of the trial, and the FIR need not be there for grant of. You have to state prima facie facts that you are apprehending us for non-cognizable offence, non-bailable offence. Best wishes.